Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Programming Knowledge. First of all, I wish a Happy New Year to all of you in advance. I hope the year 2022 will be great for you. In this video, we will see what this code will do. I got inspiration from this tweet. So, let's run this code. Hope you have enjoyed this video. You can support me on Patreon, you will get access to the code from this video. Also, like this video, share it with your friends, and if you are new to this channel then subscribe to my channel for more of these kinds of videos. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. Hope I will upload more content in the year 2022. We will meet in the next video. Until then, enjoy programming.